What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for tuning into this video. This video is going to be around the cold starts. I haven't done one of these videos in months, and I have the opportunity this morning to do so. I've got 4 cars for you. My brother's Toyota Corolla, my Mazda 3, and a pair of Ford Focuses. So let's go and get started. Go and start things off with my 2010 Mazda 3. Expect an update video on this thing soon. I've had it about a year. Five-speed. Let's see what we got. We got 229,247 miles. Nice. Nice and rattly.
Mob once had it.
5-speed manual. There's third. There we go. Gonna pop the hood. Got a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Got to do some work to it soon, maybe plugs and coils and things of that nature. It runs a bit lumpy when it's cold. Alrighty. I'll do it for this one. On to the next one. Alrighty, now we'll do my brother's 2022 Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla Nightshade Edition. He's in town from Savannah. It's clean in here. Automatic. 33,000 miles. Good car. I like this thing quite a bit. Expect a video on this coming soon. This one's got the 2-liter 4-cylinder with a 0W16 oil. Everything's nice and happy in here. Good deal. Brother's been very happy with this thing. It's got the CVT with a park and brake that comes on and off automatically. Alrighty, that'll do it for this one. On to the Ford Focuses. Alrighty, now for the pair of Ford Focuses, starting with my sister's 2016 Focus SEL. SEL or SES? SEL. This thing was bought brand new. It's been in the family since day one. got the power shift. 104,000 miles. There we go. Nice. There we go. Oh, this is a weird one. There we go. Oh, that hurt. This thing's also got a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Everything's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Is that closed? Good enough. Power shift. This power shift works. Doesn't have any problems. Alrighty, that'll do it. Alrighty, now on to the second and final Ford Focus of the video. 2014 Ford Focus ST. Expect a video of this in some point in the not so distant future, whenever the weather is not terrible. It's got the leather Recaro seats, 6-speed manual transmission. $134,000 miles. 6-speed. Foot on the clutch. There we go. Got 6-speed manual. Feels good. Open the ring. Reverse. Park and brake. Oh jeez. And this is the final 2-liter 4-cylinder of the video. Air filter, Roush air filter. Not bad, not bad. It's been a great car. Love this thing, super fun to drive. Alrighty. Alrighty, well, I appreciate you guys tuning into this video. It's always fun to do rounds of cold starts of the personal vehicles when I can get around to it. I'll try to have another one of these out for you guys as soon as I can. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Take care.